Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a dynamic data collector with the certain headers. I'm just telling you one condition. For example, that you have received one data. Let me show you the data. Data is here. Just wait. Let me show you. This is the data I do have. Okay, in this workbook. In data one, if you will look at, then we have so many headers, right? Let me show you the data. So it is getting open, so you guys can see data we have almost of 101 header of a data we have in this workbook, but I want to extract the data only 39 headers. Okay, only 39 headers data we want to extract out from the data which I have shown you earlier, right? And the sequencing is also different, right? Here you guys can see. So for example, I only need to collate the data only of 39 headers from the data where we have almost 100 plus header. How we can do this? And that is something which is dynamic. Okay, when I will share this workbook in the description box, from there you guys can download it and you can use this. You just need to paste your header and you just need to click here automatically. That will take you to the browser and select the file on which from which that you want to collate the data. And you just need to select data one, double click, and it will also show you the progress bar. You guys can see how good actually it is looking. You can see it, right? And you have nothing to do with anything. You just need to wait, okay, till the 100%, till the time that it will get completed. Now you see 39 headers we have got, okay. But for example, okay, we don't have we one header we have found here. I'm writing here, this is the header. I'm writing here Akash. That is the header. I'm just making the amendments because this Akash header is not in that workbook from which we will be selecting the data. Just let me click on this again. Okay, now I'm again clicking on the data one, and now you will look at, so it will throw you the error. Now you just wait. Okay, it will throw you the error. You see error found below header not found Akash. Simple. Okay, because the Akash is the header which is not in the data one, right? This is why that it has thrown you the error, and that is something which will help you a lot to identify which header is not available, right? So again I am just pasting it, and again I'm clicking on it, and I will select it, and it will not a collect, it will basically extract the certain header data from the data where we have 100 plus header, right? So it has got completed. Now you see 39 headers we have got in this particular workbook. Okay, you just need to copy it and paste it wherever you want to paste it. You don't need to do anything in the data. It will collate the data from the workbook automatically and everything, and 100% with the 100% accuracy, right? So let's do it. How we can do that? I'm just pressing. Okay, I created one more module by the name of module 2. I'm writing here option explicit sub procedure data extractor. Simple. Okay, here you need to write dim sh as a worksheet. Okay, and k as an integer, j as an integer. Okay, and skp as a string, right? That's it. Now let's set it. Set sh this workbook dot sheets, this workbook dot sheets, and the data here we want to collect, we need to select it here first, data. And after that you need to clean it, used in dot clear. Okay, and after that you need to paste this header where here. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to copy it and paste in the data sheet, okay, in the transpose mode. Okay, let me show you. So here you need to copy like this workbook, or you may range a7 to a cells rows dot count a dot and xlub dot row. Okay, dot copy. And here you need to give from which sheet, this workbook dot sheets. Okay, one. Just copy it and paste it here. Simple. Comma. Okay, sorry, full stop. Now it's done. Now you have copy, and now we need to paste it in a1. Okay, in a1 dot paste special all as transports mode true. Now if you will, now you see here we have a lot of data, right? As soon as I will run this pressing F5, you see, okay, only we have got the header we have in the sheet 1, right? And accordingly we need to collate the data from the file which we will select, right? P application dot get open file you need to select true. Okay, and you need to just get the path somewhere, except c2 dot value will be p. And after that you need to sorry, you need to declare one more variable to open the workbook, name wkb as a workbook, and set wkb equal to workbooks. Okay, workbooks dot open. You need to the path we have in xfc2 dot value. This they in this particular cell we have a path. After opening the file, we need to run the two loops from 4k1 to sh dot range a1 dot and excel to write dot column. Okay, through this line that we are running the dynamic loop. Okay, till the, because header also may be increase and decrease in your case, right? And I mean, I can't make it static, because otherwise if I will make it static, and it will be only useful for me. So I am just also making it for you guys that you can download and you can achieve your task. Okay, if you have. Okay, so here we need to write one condition, sh dot cells 1 comma k dot value. If this is not blank, then run one more loop here. Okay, and if, and after that you need to run one more loop from 4k to 1 to wkb sheets, the workbook which we have opened. Okay, cells rows. Okay, 1 dot columns dot count dot and excel to write dot column. Okay, okay, now you need to close the loop. Now give the condition, if wkb dot sheets 1 dot cells, now you need to 1 comma k dot value. If this is equal to sh dot cells, and row number will be your 1 and comma dot j. This is j, not a k. Okay, we have done something wrong. We need to make it here it as a j. Okay, and it will be j, and next here we need to put it k dot value. Then copy it. Okay, if we have found the header, if the header is same, then just copy it. Okay, wkb dot sheets 1 comma cells 1 comma j dot entire column dot copy. Okay, and after that we need to paste it, sh dot range a1 dot paste special, just copy it. Okay, cut it and paste it, cells. Okay, row number 1 and dynamic column number will be the k dot paste special all. Okay, and after that escape it, go to escape. As soon as we have found the header, it should escape. So after escaping, where it should come, it should come here, skp, simple. Okay, and if we for the error handler, if we have not found any header, so how that will be captured, we need to declare one more variable here, t as a long. You can do it. Okay, t as a long. And after that, if we have found the header, it is all right. Otherwise, yeah, t set 1. If we have found the headers, then it will be 1 else. And after that, after putting it, put here one condition, if t is equal to 0. Okay, if t is equal to 0 or unequal to 1. Okay, or what we can do is we can put it here. Okay, t equal to 0. If the t is equal to 0, then put condition here, if t equal to 0, then message box should become message box error. Okay, error, we have found, sorry, blow header not found, not found, not found. Okay, what would be the blow header? Blow header will be your the dynamic, the range we have given, 1 comma k dot value will be VBA, VB critical, exit sub, and if, simple. Okay, that is what actually you need to do so far. And after completing, you need to close the workbook, right? wkb dot close, application dot display alerts equal to true, message box will be done. Right, now might be you're thinking where we have created the progress bar. The progress bar we have not created so far. Now let's test it first. Okay, is it really working or not? Okay, So here we have a data. Now let's run one by one. Okay, I am splitting my screen in two parts. Okay, f8. Now we have got p, we have not declared, so declare the p as a variant. Okay, now let's invalid next control variable reference. Okay, so k, we have not a k, it should be j. Okay, press f8, copy and paste. Okay, data 1 we need to select, and now we have got the path. We have opened the that workbook which we selected, and now I'm running the loop, you see. Okay, copy paste. Now like I'm just running in a one go. I'm saving it first. Okay, now I'm pressing f5. Now let's see, is it really working or not. You see, we have collated all the headers, we have found all the headers, right? But in case, for example, I am, instead of branch, I'm writing here Akash. So is it really working or not? Okay, I'm pressing f5 again here, selecting the workbook, and now see, error. Okay, error, blow header not found, Akash. Okay, so it means that it is working. Let's close it. Okay, we have basically we have written the code, okay, which can help us to to collate the data, but it's still the progress bar we need to create, right? Progress bar we need to create. How we can create that? Now press f4 to get the properties, and press alt. Okay, sorry, press control r, and now create one user form, alt iu. Here you need to press f4 to get the user form properties. Right here, data importing. Okay, data importing. Okay, we need to create one label here. Give the label like this, give the label, and delete the label one, and give the color in the backend like this. Okay, give the color in the backend. Okay, what next we need to do is we need to remove it. Okay, so what is the width of it? Width we need to measure, it is 222. Okay, now let's create one more label to get the status of the percentage. Okay, and let's little drag it on the upper side, right here 0%, and change the format of the label or the caption. Okay, let's make it 10 bold and okay, and make it in the center. So in the center we need to make, so make it in the center. Simple. The progress bar we have created. Now we only need to write the code. So in the code, now let's write one code function VBA, function VBA progress bar. Okay, so progress percentage, I already have in my videos, in the many project, I already written this code, but again and again I'm writing so that you guys can understand. After completion as boolean. Okay, you need to me dot show false vb dot events vba dot do events. Okay, and declare one two variable dim total width as single, and current width as single. It should be, total width should be like 222. Okay, and current width we need to calculate how. Total width, you need to what happened. Okay, so in the total width, what you need to do, okay, in total width you need to you need to put the number that I have shown in the beginning. So here you need to calculate it, total width divided by 100 multiplied by progress percentage. Okay, and me dot label 1 dot width would be like a current width which we calculated, right? Me dot label 2, in the label 2, in the caption we need to write we need to enter the percentage. Progress percent will be 0, and we are formatting the percentage. Okay, and it should be like completed you need to write like this. Okay, simple. If progress percent is 100 and after completion is equal to true, then me dot height and if. Okay, that's what you did. Now we need to we need to capture it in the in this particular code. How we can do that? Now let's understand. Here you need to call VBA, sorry, call user form 2 dot VBA progress k slash sh dot range from a1 to end excel to write to get the last column number. Okay, multiply by 100. That is what you need to do only. Now let's run it. Is it really working or not? And this is the data extractor. Let's assign this in this particular button, and here we have a data extractor, right? Now I am just clicking on this. As soon as I clicked, selecting the data one. Okay, in the data one you will be able to see here I have got the error because we have not written it in the proper way, width. Okay, now pressing F5. No, it's not working. It's not working. Something is wrong. Percent is working quite good, but yes, it is not working. Let's do it. Okay, percent is working. We have it is 10. This is why we need to make it as a 100. Okay, now let's do it again. Click on this and data one. In the data one, now you see it is really working quite good, and this is a very simple code, not a simple code, but yes, this is the little logical, the code we have written. And but it is really very powerful. Okay, we can extract the data from the massive data. If we need to extract the certain data, certain headers, certain data from the massive data, and we can use this code to get the data, right? So now again I'm just changing one header here. For example, in the last, instead of header 3, I'm writing here Akash. Okay, and it should be Akash. Now let's run it data one, and now let's see. Okay, it's working. All right, great. No error we have found so far. All right, okay, yes, okay. At the 95% we have found the header, I mean error, right? Let's close it and make it here. Okay, okay. We have one more workbook, beside that. Let me also click here. I hope we will get the, because the header is the same. Okay, header is the same, but the header is shuffling, right? So few headers in the beginning, few headers are at the last. So header can be the different, header cannot be different, but header position can be different, right? So I hope guys you have liked the video. Okay, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice, and I hope this is something which help you a lot, right? And you guys can achieve your task, okay, as many as you want to collect the data. Okay, and this is something which I found very very useful, right, in my work experience, right? So I hope that it will be also useful for you.